Okay, press and hold R1 to attach. What are we doing now? What are we doing now? What if it's gonna be an elevator or what? It looks like an elevator, yep. Gonna have to be fast here, huh? When attached to the crank with R1, and press to activate the oath of. Okay. Gotcha, I know what we have to do here. It's going to be easy. And voila. Okay. Here we go. Why didn't it work before, bro? Okay. Get up here. Easy. Wonder why it didn't work the first time. Back here, what is this? Ooh, okay. Oh, yes. Yes, this is gonna be an eye, right? Yeah. Fully upgraded, let's go. Our health is fully upgraded, perfect. We're gonna have to do this again, yep. I don't think that was correct, but... Yep, no it wasn't. Okay. Huh? Work now? Yep. Whee! Oh shit. Oh, it has to, yep, it has to. It has to charge. Let's go. Bro, really? Oh. Nope, can't use any magic right now. Come on, why didn't you snap it in half for whatever you wanted to do, Kratos? Wrong button, bro. Wrong button. Damn, Kratos! Okay. Now what? I gotta get in there somehow now, huh? Will do, bro. At least I hope I will. Go up? Nope. No going up. Gotcha. Okay. Getting somewhere at least. Oh, we need to get in there. Do nothing, okay. Nope, that doesn't do anything. Okay. Okay, I can't get in there yet. Or at least not at the moment. So let's stop wasting time and just keep going. Well, good job, Kratos. Doing good, bruh. Ooh. Get over here. Let me guess, when I let go of this, it's probably going to go back, right? Yep. Then I know what I have to do. Or at least I have a feeling I know what I have to do. Right? Ah! Okay, that's how you open it. Interesting, interesting. The fools have hidden something of value to the sisters in the lantern. They violate my creation. I will see to it they do not survive their mistake. Remember that? Remember that? Now there's only gonna be orbs from now on. Okay, now we can go back up there. Yeah, I'm gonna be saving the orbs now because we need it for final upgrade of the Blades of Chaos. We need 25,000 orbs. And we currently have 15,976. Gonna climb up here again. Get over there, Kratos. Good job, good champ. Going, brother. Orton, brother. Okay. Well, easy peasy. Now we're back. Okay. Okay. What to do now? Oh, I think I know. Wrong button. Perfect. Easy peasy. See how easy that was, guys? Real easy. Ooh. Oh. Nice. Voila. Oh, we're back here now. Okay. Come on, bruh. Am I already dead? Nope. Oh, where's the other ones? Oosh. Ah. Oh, my bad, my bad. Here, take that. Play with my invisible Kratos. Yeah, bro. Snap out of it, Kratos! You already dead, Mr. Noise. How you doing, my friend? Welcome, welcome. Get away, gotta get away. Perfect. Get over here. Hope you're doing good today. I'm doing fantastic, Mr. Norris. How are you doing today? Gonna get on some card here in a minute. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, thank you. Olele. Okay, how do I get up there now? Wait, huh? Yep. Activate. I know why. Heal. Yeah. Don't need that. If there's something here. Ah, it's still. Yep, they replenish, huh? They return back to normal because I know I got them. I know I already got them. We were already here today, so I don't remember. Yep, I don't remember. I remember. Oh shit. This is going to be interesting. Again. Wrong button. Ah, wrong button. Ah! Not the wrong button this time. Dude. Bro, how many are there? Okay, looks like I did this correct. Or maybe not. Nope. Really hope they don't respawn, bro. Got 4 of them now. Bro, really? Bro! Okay, got this at least. Oh, come on, die already, would ya? Okay. Ooh. Alright. Keep going up, keep going up. So far, oh shit. No, no, get out of the... Missed me. Stupid. Gotta watch out here now. Missed me, idiot. Hey, take him out. Boom. Okay, we made it to the top. Let's go. Entry from notebook of blah blah blah. It is ruined, but I can rebuild. Make it better. My tribute to Apollo will not be lost. Oh, one of these sections again, huh? I wonder why this one got so much hate when it first released. It wasn't as popular as the other ones, because I'm enjoying this so far. Really enjoying it. I know it didn't review good. People didn't like it that much. I don't know why. Doom, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Ooh, almost effed that up. You go up? Yes, you can. Excellent, Kratos. Thanks for the breakfast club chicken. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. I totally forgot about this one. I know there were 4 of them, but I totally forgot about that one, about the Hades blades. And I'll be able to upgrade the blades soon. With 4,000, no, 3,000 more left. 3,000 more points left. Will be fully upgraded. Okay, that's nothing. I knew it. I knew it. Whew. Damn, guys! Relax! Okay, you asked for it. Give me your shield! Or not. Guess you want another one, huh? Okay. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. Shoosh. At least one is done for. Oh. Take him out now. Bro, really? Okay, now it's your turn, bro. Oh. Oh. Damn. Damn. Almost. And there we go. We have the 25,000. Now we can fully upgrade the Blades of Chaos for the very last time. That's blessing. Rage upgrade. Increase damage. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now they're fully upgraded. Perfect. I need more for that, okay. Ooh, my health is fucked. Okay, what's up with the slowdown here? I wonder why to slow down like that here. Oosh. Yeah, I'm looking at slowdown. I don't know why it's doing that. What do we earn for 200k jet points? I don't know, Nikki. I don't know. You're already VIP. Eesh. There we go. Oh, Fornin. I want a VIP badge. Is that even possible? I don't know. Eesh. I do remember to play God of War. I remember that part of the game. Which one is it? PS2 has two God of War. God of War 1 and 2. Go! Come on, there we go. Oosh. The first one came out in 2005, so... And I don't know which game you're talking about, Nikki, because it couldn't be God of War, because God of War 1 came out in 2005. I need help. Thank you. Oh, die already! Now it's your turn. And there are no left alive, huh? Go! No, 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 no. Woo! Oh, hell. Oh, let me take you out first. Oh! Okay. Cannot be. I remember to play. I was in Switzerland and I came to Portugal in 2002. Let me try to figure out what I was playing then. Yep. Because it couldn't have been God of War. First God of War came out in 2005. Get down here. There we go. Now what? What is this? God of War is your favorite? Somebody already asked me early in the stream, and I gotta tell you, God of War 2, I think. God of War 2 is my favorite one. Similar to this, huh? Maybe Devil May Cry? I don't know. Maybe you were playing Devil May Cry or Ninja Gaiden? I don't know. Bruh. I think I know what I have to do here. Nope. Another try. I don't know what I have to do with that thing, but... I mean, I ain't looking for any more red orbs or so I don't know what I have to do with that thing. An entry from the notebook. I have sent all the workers away. They cannot be trusted. I will finish it myself to search for the truth. It is the undoing. Ooh. Keep finding new items. I wonder what they're going to be good for. A brilliant inventor and architect who finally succumbed to the madness of the Furies. Okay, whatever. What do we do with this? Hold on to that for me, will ya? Okay. Will this do? Interesting. Yeah. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Hey, Big Casey, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Do anything else? Don't think it does. You'll try something out, I guess. Nope, doesn't do anything. Gotcha. Can't see anything now. Wait a minute. What a minute. I think I have an idea. Let me try this again. Wrong button. There we go. Okay. Voila. Bring me back over there. Thank you. Go. Voila. Up we go. Voila. This doesn't really bring me anything, does it? That didn't really do anything. Yeah, 400 below is unlit and cold. Ah. Do I have to burn this? Ah, I know. I know what I have to do now. Is in here. And doing this should light it up, right? Look at that. Excellent. Bitch. Ah. Heal. Okay. Now let's put it in here. That should do it, I hope. Ooh. Fire is too short to reach the coal above. Too short to reach the above. Okay. Means there's still something I have to do here. Nothing happens there. We got that, I think. Let me see. Is there something over here? Can I go down here? Nope. Let me take this over there. Google on. Now we're faster, a lot faster. Boom! Yeah. Recharge, recharge. Ain't nothing. It does something here. Okay. Ooh, let's go. Okay, okay. Yeah, let's put it in here, I guess. Yeah, it's too hot. Ooh, okay, okay. We gotta hurry up, don't we? Yeah. Yo. Excellent. Ooh, everything's burning up now. What do I have to do now? Ah! No, 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 no! Ah! Ah! No! What the hell was that? Hey, Nogariak, how you doing? Welcome to the stream and thank you for that first time chat. Probably butchered your name, but I'm sorry about that if I butchered your name, but welcome, welcome. Yeah, let's take her out. No, 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 ain't happening. Nope. Nope. Haha. Whoosh. Hey, thank you for that follow. Really appreciate it. I ain't dying here. No way in hell now I'm dying here. Thank you for that chicken. Whoa. Who's next? Anyone next? Guess not. Shoot. Ah. Now this is moving. What does this do now? What's happening now? Oh, that's blocked. We're gonna unblock that first. How's the day going? My day's going fantastic. Can't complain. How's your day been? Did I leave health up there? Yep, I did. I definitely need that. Gotta do some jumping, huh? Platforming, gotcha. Oh shit. Let me get the health real quickly. No complaints here, let's go. Oh, no, 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 no. You're not gonna do that electric attack on me. You ain't gonna turn into no Zapdos. Okay, probably gotta jump up there and then be fairly quick about it. Okay. Oh, get over here. I got no time fooling with you guys. Yeah. I got no time for you. Gotcha. Okay, I hope that was it now. What the hell? Eh? There we go, finally. No problem, thank you for that lurk, really appreciate it. Run, Kratos, run! I need magic. Gonna get over there somehow. I think that's the correct path that we have to go, so I saw something over here. See? Red orbs, that's all we need right now, red orbs. If we find the white chest, we can of course open them too, because they only contain red orbs now anyway. Mostly we need the red orbs. Then we have to find all of the chests, so we can upgrade our weapons. Don't need anything here. Okay, what to do now? Get up there? Nope, not like that. Okay. Ah, come on. Oh, wrong button. Who cares? This time, and boom! Whoosh! No idea what I have to do here. Come on! Yes! Oh, that was close. That was close. I always thought I was gonna die there. Now I can go. There was health back there, wasn't there? Right? Yep. Health, 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 health. That's the important thing. Whee! Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Easy peasy. Ah, easy. Shoulder of Apollo. Yeah. Magic here, voila. Yeah, Kratos, you do this. Bro, that's all I had to do, huh? I gotta stop forgetting that I also have these other things that I could use. Ooh, come on. Ooh. Damn, bro. Kratos, what are you doing? There we go. Die! Oh. Hey, we need you, Kratos. Kick ass, Kratos. Check out this elevator. There. Nope. Sheesh. That never gets old. It never gets old. Another one. You've got to be kidding me, right? Nope. I better not screw this up. We got this elephant. Sheesh. What the hell? Bro. Nope. Whoa. Hey. Oh, sheesh. Oh, it's the last one. Anyone else want some? If you want some, come get some. Heal. Yep, gotta heal this.